Hey y'all, it's rainy out, my chest hurts and my poop is orange, but it doesn't matter. Today we're talking about Wake Up Everybody by Harold Melvin and the Blue Notes. This was an R&B group from Philadelphia in the mid-70s. They had a handful of tracks that became top 10 hits, including Wake Up Everybody, which is the first track on here, so I'm gonna look for something a little later and see what we can do. I've selected a section to sample. Alright, I gave it quite a few tries and eventually landed on this.